See, the current problem with social welfare in America is that the checks, the payments that sometimes mean life, death, basic survival, subsistence for millions of Americans, right now they only come from the government, and basically depending on who's office, those checks might get bigger, smaller, or recently just not exist at all. Now, what happens to the poor people who are depending on that just for groceries? So I created a social welfare dividend to act independently of the government. Instead, it's market-based. I tie the social welfare dividend to PDO's performance in the online markets. Basically, the better that PDO performs in the market, selling ringtones, online advertising, all types of revenue-generating strategies, the better we perform, the more money we're able to actually distribute to the world's poorest citizens. We actually take the citizens in the database, the PDO database with the highest risk rating, and redistribute the money equally. So conceptually, think about it. We earn $1 million surplus for a given month. Instead of taking that $1 million and dividing it amongst our investors and our stockholders and so forth, as a for-profit company normally does, what we would actually do is take that $1 million, look for the 10,000 most neediest recipients in the database, or better phrase it, the 10,000 recipients in our database with the highest risk rating, and evenly divide the money and give it to them. I mean, let's do quick math. If you take $1 million divided amongst 10,000 people, you're only talking about $100 each. Nobody gets rich. But that extra $100 a month can buy a decent bag of groceries. It can help pay some utility bills. It can, help you go to the zoo, kick it with your kids. Nobody gets rich, but everybody benefits. See it.